I'm Rhett Valentine, and this is
Ray Baxter.
And this is our first time fixing a 2-cycle engine, and we're about to get started, so let's do it.
Coming loose.
This one last. I got this one, and I just did that one. This is stuck in here.
Is it stuck though? It's stuck right here. But it might just be that it's stuck on that exhaust port right there.
So this would go like
So we just got that off. Where's the engine now?
The engine is right here.
Let's see if we can get this thing to start.
The rotating crankshaft connects to the piston, which moves up and down within the cylinder, and the ignition process begins.
Right now I'm learning the labels, and I'm learning why you do not open a box upside down. So
If all of this was glass, that would have been a problem.
yeah, a big problem. We finally finished the set, which
Because
took a
Rhett
while.
opened it upside down and all of these just fell out.
Okay.
And it's been like 15 minutes.
No, probably 14. Yeah, 15. And oh no, it's good. Alright.
Are you starting? So with these, you use 5/16.
This is hard. I'm gonna try the bottom one.
You use 5/16, and you all go on the opposite way of the clock. And then you go the other way, just back and forth.
That's enough.
How are you guys making sure that you don't lose any of these screws?
We put them on this thing, which is these magnets to here, and this magnets to the chair, so it doesn't fall off.
All right, you guys have exposed the carburetor.
Woo! Back in there.
And then
It
this
makes
it
it go-
opens again, then it closes, and we can't just use pure gasoline, because then this would be too strong and it would all explode. So there's a little gasoline, and then there's a bunch of air that comes in, so it's just a little explosion. We got
this, and we need to start, and it just fits in there perfect.
on the first try. We got the
Are
great.
you boys ready for some power tools?
Yes.
Yes,
Something with a little more power to help you out?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
So we got this power tool, and to change the side, we click on these things. And wait, here, don't pull that. And we could pull this thing out, and then we have the right fit, and we'll put this in to get the screw. Okay, and then we could screw it out. Wow, that worked perfect.
Oh.
Now, where do we put these? In here.
Because everybody forgets stuff. Even the cameraman.
And even the cameraman.
AKA
Oh, this metal's up
air.
to this.
It's like magnetic, so as soon as it get out, you drop it and lose it, so it's magnetic.
Magnetic to this. All right.
Is that
What's
right?
next?
We just pulled it off. Pulled this yellow tube. We're going. Now you can see it better. So it clogs, and see that hole? Only it squirts out a little bit of gas. But when you turn it this way, see that big hole back there? It shoots out more gas. And then more air comes in than that, and then it goes back through this tube.
So now we need to take the carburetor off.
To do that, we need an Allen wrench.
I don't know where we're gonna get that though.
It's coming loose. It's wiggly.
It's wiggly. It is. Okay. Now I believe when it's done, it's gonna fall down right there. So let's get the bucket.
Yeah, that one's definitely coming out.
Okay.
We are about to get the thingamajig off.
Thingamajig.
The carbonator.
Carbonator.
What?
Is that for making soda? A carbonator?
This gas has probably been in here for about a couple years now. And so we're gonna clean it all out. And then we're gonna put new gas in it.
So we are going to use this jet spray carb choke. It's for cleaning parts of things, and we are going to spray in this. We're even going to get in this, and we're going to get in this too. So we're going to get started right now. Ah,
It's too close.
no, it's not.
You gotta spray it harder.
Okay, I got really wet with my hand.
Am I gonna?
Opening it up and
So we took out this old spark plug from a long time ago, and it's all dirty, and we got a new one today, and we're gonna put this one in, which is way cleaner and nicer. And this one I think was broken, so we're gonna use this. Hopefully it works. So we are going to screw this in by hand first, and then this thing my dad is holding, and Reed's gonna do that part. This. Yep. Okay, now Reed, we're gonna need you. Wrong way. You gotta pull hard, Reed. Push it hard without moving this. It's hard. Then we gotta connect this on here. Reed's already got it. Oh. There we go. Yep, we got it. I think we did. Now we gotta see if we could get this carburetor back together down here.
We did a bit of work and we finally got it screwed back together how it was before.
Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Gotta put it back in now. Ooh! Gosh, Reed. Don't go so fast.
That's tight on there.
Just go slow and see.
Okay, that's good.
They're both tied in.
Very tight. It's making
That was a fail.
epic fail. Okay.
No, this is an 11. This is an 1132. This is a 516. It's the wrong one, Reed.
It's this one. Yep, this is 516.
You're gonna have to turn it this way. I need to screw these out. So we're gonna fill it with gas, and this is an oil gas mixture.
Gasoline.
Gasoline.
Now, since we've done this part, now we're gonna need to have some grown-up muscles.
you guys think you fixed this?
Yes, we
Did
do.
you hit the primer?
Yes. Nope, not yet.
Okay. Turn it on.
It's working! That's for sure working.
Well, that's definitely better, but it just cut out. What does that mean?
We need
That
to
means
do a little bit more work.
A little, we had to press it a little. Alright.
Looks like you boys got a little bit more research to do.
Alright.
You need to get on YouTube and find out what happens if the engine starts, but then it cuts out.
But do you think we could do this? Yeah! Okay.
After we cleaned it, it was working all fine when you started it, but when we got into it a little bit, it would just stop. So I watched the YouTube video, and it said to turn a little knob right here counterclockwise. So we tried that, and it worked.
So we turned it counterclockwise. Let's see what she does. Boys, just gotta put the top back on and then go make some money.
Yep, I do.
What are you doing right now, Rhett?
What?
What are you doing right now?
We're getting in all of the screws on this top theme so it looks way better.
Man, you cleaned it up really good. Almost looks like new.
Hey, it runs good. We did it. High five.
Woo!